I don't think like that, she says to me. I can't help but feel the subtleties. So if it all expires, I guess the date's not what it seems. But I can't help it, boy, she says to me. I'm not sure I truly gave my best. Made a home but still feel like a guest.
저 영상을 원래 한참 안 찍었다가 오늘 다시 대기하는 거거든요.
아, 그래요?
그래서 긴장이 돼가지고.
The tension, headaches always get to me. Often leave me dazed and wondering. So do you mind if we rewind? 'Cause my mind's on other things, but I'm not sure you'd find them interesting. And maybe I should practice how I feel instead of trying to reinvent the wheel. I know I overcomplicate, but simplicity's surreal. It doesn't seem to me too big a deal.
이런 느낌이에요?
Sorry if this all feels like a game. Maybe this whole quarantine's to blame. And I don't know if you still love me, but I still feel the same. For what it's worth, that's how I feel today. So will I float like leaves do in the wind? Or will I sink as soon as I jump in? For sure my feet will touch the ground, but I can't swim. And I'm not sure it matters in the end. I know that I should practice what I preach, but telling you the truth is hard for me. So Jesus, could you help me out? 'Cause I'm bursting at the seams. I guess I'll never know what's good for me.
I've never had the best expectations of any man. Got my own explanations on why I'm skeptical and critical when it's good. But this time around you broke me down like I never thought you could. I say, how come it's so easy? It's unlike I ever knew. You say, 'cause it's right, believe me, I was designed for you. And for the first time, I'm not could be sunrise or late nights. I'm always laughing with you. I say, how come it's so easy? It's unlike I ever knew. You say, 'cause it's right, believe me, I was designed for you. And for the first time, I'm not looking around, 'cause I'm enough and you're enough. It's safe to say this much, I like it on the side of love. I like it on this side of love, because it's right, believe me. They say the grass is always greener on the other side of the fence, but I'm good with what's beneath us. Finally it all makes sense why he cheated and the other one walked away. Yeah, I see it. I was always meant to reach this place on this side of love.